Okay, going for the yellow again. Oh, and the pink. Too much pink. I'm going to pick up some of that with the palette knife. We'll use that in a later print. Okay, this is butterfly mask 9, 11, 18, I believe. And 25 and 24. So what I'm really doing here is I'm testing out these stencils to make sure that they are easy to work with and that there's no big um, areas of trouble. And also kind of testing how small I would want to cut them too, because some of the ones that are more detailed, I wouldn't want to cut any smaller than, 3 inches across, really. Okay, pulling up those masks. Those are really pretty, the pink and yellow butterflies there. And picking up that print. Nice. That'll be fun. Okay, putting down some of that magenta. And using some of that leftover pink. Using the little brayer to go with the magenta first. Gonna roll some of that out. And then the pink. That just allows me a little bit more control over the color rather than having the mottled effect all the time. This is Butterfly Mask 13. I'm not sure what the other one is. Too much paint there. You can see I didn't get a clean pull. That just means I'll take another print. So I will add the links to each of these masks in the description below. That way you can go find the one you like. Picking up the masks. And I'm going to get a nice clean, oh, I thought it would be a nice clean print here. Useful, not as clean as I would like. That's okay. I think I'll clean the plate next. All right, adding some light blue. And rolling it out nice and thin for a pickup layer. Using a piece of rice paper. I let it sit for a minute and it looks like I picked up some of those stencils and masks. And now I'm pulling the print. We'll see what we get. Nice. I like the grunginess of that one. Now I'm using a light green. And butterfly mask 17 and 21. And the little one is 25. This is a nice, soft, opaque light green. It makes really good for blocking out things behind it. So when I glue that page in Collage, you'll be able to see through the paper where there is no green paint. So the whatever's underneath the butterflies will show up. Taking the mask off and then picking up that second print. All right, using that blue gray, light blue again. I think I'm just doing a pickup print here. Picking something out of the paint. Thought about adding some texture. Oh, I guess I did. A little texture, slightly, with that comb. And then pick it up with a piece of medical exam paper. Oops, ripped the paper a little bit, but that's okay. Nice clean plate, and you can see the outlines of those butterflies on that print. It's very subtle, but it's there. I think that's all for today. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Bye.